Okay, children, starting with second one. Once again, I don't know what happened to my phone. It is troubling me a lot these days. So this will be 2, 2s are 4, 3 comes down, 29 comes down, decimal is there, decimal goes up. Okay, now this is double, 4. Now we check by 3, 3 3s are 9, very small. It will be 129, very small. So we go to the next 7. 7 sevens are 49 and this is only from 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 4 will be 32. So this completes the second one. Then we do the third one, children. Third one is 51.84. Putting the bars, yes. Whole numbers का bars अलग, decimal numbers का bars अलग. Whole number का bar we start from here, decimal number का bar, whole number का bar we start from here this way, and decimal numbers का bar we start from here that way. Okay. So starting 51, 49 will take place. 84 comes down, decimal goes up, double of 7 is 14, 7 2s are 14. Now last digit should be 4. So 2. 2 2s are 4, so we check by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Correct. So the answer is what? 7.2. This completes the third one. Then we go to the fourth one, children. The fourth one, 42.25, 42.25. Making the bars, this one here and this one here. So we know 6 6 is 36. 25 comes down, is decimal, double of 6 is 12, 6 2s are. Now we have to write here a number whose multiplication should give us 5, or we can say whose square is 5, or whose square number's unit place is 5. So we see that is 5. So we do it by 5. So 125 multiplied by 5, it is 625. So this completes, answer is 6.5. Please write the answer. Answer is equal to 6.5. So this completes the fourth one. Fifth one will be your homework, children. 31.36. The same way. Okay. Starting with the fourth question now. We have to find the least number to be subtracted so that the number formed should be a square number. So suppose this is the number given to us. So we do it 6 6 are 36. Now, what is this? Remainder? Yes. So if you subtract this 2 from 38, what will you get? 36, which is a square number. Correct? So this only we have to do. Means you have to find the square root of the given numbers. If we are getting the remainders, that is the minimum number which has to be subtracted. The first one is 402. Now you see here there is no decimal, so we start from the ones, tens and hundreds is alone. Now 2 2s are 4, only 4 comes down, then 0 2. Double of 2 is 4. Now what number should it take to go? it will go 0 times, correct? So 0, 0 is 0. So your remainder is what? 2. So the smallest number that you will subtract, or the least number is written, or the least number to be subtracted will be what? 2. So let's write that. Least number to be subtracted is equal to 2. Then new number will be obtained when we subtract. New number will be what? 402 minus 2, which is 400. We have to find the square root of 400. So square root of 400 will be what? The quotient 20. Okay. So this completes the first part of question number 4. We have 3 answers. 1, 2, 3. 3 things are asked. Now we start with the second one. 1989. Again, no decimal. So 1s, 10s का एक पेयर, 100,000 का एक पेयर. So we know 4 4s are 16. 3 remains, 89 comes down. 4 का double is 8. Now we know that it will go by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 24. थोड़ा ज़्यादा difference है, so we check by 4 also. 4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32, 33. Distance is less. So the smallest number to be subtracted will be what? 53. Smallest number to be subtracted will be 53. So the new number obtained will be 1989 minus 53. So it will be 6. 1936, and the square root of 1936 will be 44. Okay, so this completes the second one. Sorry. Now we start with the third one. Third one is 32, 50. So it will go by, you make the bars, 5 5s are 25, 50 comes down. Now here you cannot check according to the this place, because this number is obviously greater. We are finding something which is extra. So you need to know that what number should come here. Now see, very simple, what number should come here? If you see this 1 and this is 7, 7 ones are 7, that means this place, whatever you multiply to this should be equivalent to 7. So 7 ones are 7, so we try by 7. 7 7s is 49. अरे वाह, 7 ones are 7, देखो हो गया. So the smallest number to be subtracted is what? Is 1. The smallest If we multiply by 6, 36, 36, 6, 3, 54. अभी भी छोटा है. If we multiply by 7, 7, 7 are 49. 4 8s are 32. Okay, so you see this number and this number. Okay, table of 4 shouldn't go by more than 42. So it is 4 times are 40. We cannot write two numbers here. 4 9s are 36. So either 9 will come or 8 will come. So we check by 9 and we check by 8. So we start with the smallest number. Let's check by 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32, 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा है. Check by 49 also. 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. No, this will go bigger. Correct? So we cannot take 49. So 48, we were correct. This will be 1 and this will be 4. 41. So the smallest number to be subtracted will be 41. Then we subtract and get a new number.